How to fix Cookie Run Kingdom error code 50,000. Now, this might be caused by poor internet connection, but other sources have said that it's not just because of internet connection, although we do have a list over here that has been proven to have worked for some users or players with the Cookie Kingdom community. The first thing you can go ahead and do is to switch network connection. So basically, just choose whatever connection you currently have. If you're on school or workplace Wi-Fi, you can switch to mobile data if you do have it, and check if the connection is pretty much the only problem. Users have report improvements when using cellular data or anything else than the current connection that they have. The next thing you can do is use a VPN. This can bypass firewalls or content filters that might block the game. Multiple players have resolved the error by enabling a VPN before launching the game. But other than that, we have other options over here, which is to improve connection stability. Restart your router if you're using a home Wi-Fi, of course, and move closer to your router or try a different Wi-Fi brand. It pretty much depends if you do have other options, so you can always go ahead and try those first. And if it's applicable, you can lower in-game settings. So some players suggest not reducing FPS to 30 or lowering resolution turns off the skill effects and disabling notification sounds, which eases the network strain. And finally, the last option you have is to wait out server maintenance because many players report the same issues simultaneously. It's likely a server maintenance or an outage. So check official channels like Discord or game announcement. Maintenance periods often cause widespread 50k errors. But anyways, those are a few options you can do to try and fix this error. So if this video does help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.